Hey planner friends, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan and this is A Man with the Plans, and we are back with this gorgeous box, and you can read from the sticker here. It's a Laurel Denise planner. I didn't meet her, I saw her speak at Go Wild, and a couple of my friends, shout out to you both, Naina and Sam, were talking about how much they love this and that they really thought it was a fun, new type of planner in the sense that like it's just designed differently than normal. And so I poked around with them online while we were at the conference, and I just kind of bit the bullet and said, you know what? Buy yourself a planner, friend. So I did. And it showed up this morning, and I'm so excited because we're gonna unbox it together. I like haven't even touched the paper. So first of all, I love this like fun pattern here, a little geometric, and then like this fun floral. And then I don't know if you can see this, but it says planners for the way you think with this like neon. So like, I don't know, I just love the vibe of this already. So I'm pretty excited. I might actually put this on my fridge. Oh, I tore the paper. I am just so spastic. But anyway, we'll get this off of here. And we'll unbox and review this together to get my general impressions. So let's open it up. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so this, I got the horizontal weekly Undated. So we'll take this, get the box out of the way. It came pretty quickly. So I was pleasantly surprised by that, and this box is actually adorable. I feel like after you used it, you could put it back in here on your shelf to keep the dust and stuff away, because it is pretty decorative. Like, it would look super cute with like some books stacked on it or something, so just appreciate the aesthetic. But let's take a look-see. I feel like I can, ta-da! Boy, that was satisfying. So yeah, I will leave this planner linked down below if you wanted to check it out yourself. It is a very different kind of layout than what I am used to, and I'm here for it. It's very different from what all the other planners I've ever had in my life, and sometimes that's a good thing. It says Laurel Denise, Horizontal Weekly Edition, Undated, and then it says approved by with her signature, which we love to see that. Opening it up, it is big, right? It is a wide thing. I have to zoom out. I'm so not used to this. But yeah, so you've got a lovely pocket folder here, got the navy accent, and then this fun like floral pattern. It's giving me like very 70s paisley vibes, and I really love that. You've got yourself a kind of snap-in ruler dashboard bookmark type thing, so there's a plastic piece up top that you can kind of see, and then it's got kind of some gold foiled set of 8 inches here, and then it kind of snaps right back in, which I love. That's nice and satisfying. Then we have some monthly tab stickers. So I think the thing that I love about this is because it's undated, you can start it from whenever. So like I'll probably start it for April and run from April all the way to March and just use it that way. And then it says, I also love the font in general, like it's just something a little different. I'll probably move this over this way and we'll zoom in a bit more again if that's okay. Ta-da! Okay. So it's again, approved by, this book belongs to, if found, please contact, amen to that. It's like really nice, sturdy paper too, like this is like a nice cardstock, and so you just kind of add your tab up top over here in the corner. So let's flip and take a look-see. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so on this side, you've got the month and the year, and so you can kind of fill it in as like a normal calendar. Kind of obsessed. And then over here, it's got these like priorities and that you set up that are weekly, I guess. Huh, okay, cool. And so like it'll fold over. Neat. Okay, so like this is your week at a glance, right? So here's the whole month, and then you can do your priority, like weekly stuff here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 7 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got 1 for each day of the week, and then you've got priorities up top, and you can also do something over here. And then just a general, it says to do this week. Like, I kind of am obsessed with this because you can kind of, each week you'll fold this over, and then it's a new set. So you've got this thing reset down here, and then you've got this set up here. I love this. Oh, I love this so much. And then over here is just a big dot grid for the month. So it'll say, you can't see this, can you? Because it's too wide. So on this side of the page, it's a giant dot grid, and then you've got to do this month, and this is also wide open, so your big goals, you can color things in, you can split it up if you want. For me, I just love that this is very, very open-ended. It's like a cross between a weekly planner and almost like, I don't want to say like a bullet journal, but it is kind of, because it's pretty much a blank canvas, and I haven't really even started to explore what I could do in here. But so, I just love the way that like you can look at this at a glance sitting either on your desk or on your counter, and it gives you like your whole view of your universe. Like everything this month is right here. It's looking at you right here for your week and how it translates. You don't have to flip back and forth. Very cool. Okay, see, I'm into this. I'm into this. And then like these are sturdy and they're nice, and like you can tell they're very high quality paper, which is always lovely. But the pen test will truly tell when I dive into that. So let's see, I feel like every single month would be like this, right? And so I love that it's also undated, because then you can kind of set it and start it when you want it. And it's got a very nice structured kind of coil here. So let's kind of move towards the back. There were a couple other things I wanted to buy from their site, but they were a little bit sold out, which is kind of a bummer. But so here's the last month, right? So it's on this side, the tab, right? So you move back and forth. And you've got some basic priorities here. I kind of love this. And then, what is this? Oh, so this is like goal setting. Okay, so there's 6 months, 3 on each page, right? Yeah, so it says the month, then we've got goals, things to remember. Oh, there's 12 months, it's 6 on each page. They repeat twice. Okay, got it. So if you look here, like some of this is just the month, the goal, and then some things to remember. You've got 3 here, and then you've also got a fun kind of dot grid you can play with up on either side of this. You can either do some habit tracking or some other things. You could have a ton of fun with this too. And so I just love that. I think that'll be super cool to be able to kind of map at a glance what you're doing for the month. So you also obviously have this one as well. Oh, this is kind of neat. This reminds me of like a teacher planner almost. And so like for me personally, if I was using this for content creation, like it could give you like sketch idea, film, edit, upload, thumbnail, whatever, like, you know, you can track your process. Or like for other work projects and stuff, I can see this being a cute little Gantt chart that you could even color in. So like if you're renovating your kitchen, you know, you can start with like, you know, find a contractor, color that in here. Like these would be the months or weeks, depending on how long your stuff takes. And then you could do kind of like your whole project waterfall method and see it in a Gantt chart. So like, you know, demo this thing, remove cabinets, take dumpster away, like order tile, order appliances. That, like, so you could structure this in all sorts of cool ways. And the nice part is you have 2 of them, right? Oh no, you got 4, 5, wow, okay. And then, okay, so you have tons of those. So there's so many things you could do with that, which is kind of amazing. I don't know, this is like something that I'd love to have, and I don't even know the full extent of how to do this, like how I would structure this. But then we turn over here and you got some big, just kind of like normal grid and graph paper stuff. I think this is super fun, and it sits really nice, and it's like very substantial. So yeah, there's a ton of room here, so you can do a ton with this. Oh my god, there's so many pages still. Okay, so there's lots of this kind of graph paper, which could be fun for, you could do weight tracking, or for me, if I'm training for a marathon, you can kind of log your distance miles over time. So like, you can watch your average mileage get up, and then you have the taper for your race. Like that could be cool to split this in half to see that, and then do like mileage by days. I don't know. Like there's lots of fun, or like you could see your average distance per mile, or your, I don't know, like your split times. I think you could do a ton of stuff with this that like, you know, you have to just be creative and play with it, but you have so much room. Like it's like the thing from Step Brothers. There's so much room for activities. But you have a ton of these pages. And then at some point we transition into like full on just some dot grid. Like you can blank canvas your way through this, which I think is lovely. And I know that there's an add-on that you can add more of these pages to, which is nice, because it does look like there's still room left on your coil before it gets a little overwhelming. That's, I think, my fear with some of these planners sometimes, with all the stickers and stuff. And then we wrap up the rest of it with just some more of the dot grids, and then a little note just kind of copywriting when it came out, and no part of this book should be reproduced, so don't get any ideas. And then there's also another really substantial large folder over here that you can use to kind of corral documents or sticker sets. I really think I would just use this as a fun pen highlighter marker planner. But yeah, like this reminds me of like a really fancy coffee table book. I'm so excited to dive into this. Have any of you used one of these before? Do you have ideas on what you're planning on doing? Or do you have other planners that are already using this? Because I don't know, I feel like it would be fun for me to just set up my month. Maybe I'll do it for April when I get back. That could be fun to kind of give it a go and just see what it looks like and have a couple of different things here. I love the idea for content and for my fitness, for a couple of races I have coming up. Like, I don't know, the possibilities seem absolutely endless, which is really exciting. But yeah, I think that's gonna wrap this video up. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Are you using one of these planners? Leave me a comment down below. I'm also over on Instagram, @amanwiththeplans. I've been making some reels and having a good time over there, so connect with me. I've been trying to make new videos once a week, and I've been pretty good at that so far. But so, yeah. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will start using this planner, and let me know if you have any suggestions, because you guys usually know better than I do about all the planner trends. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, planner friends.